The name of this poem is called Dear Daddy. I wrote this poem when my grandfather passed away. Dear Daddy, what a person you were. There for us in every way you could be. Always told me education was the key. And I'm going back to school just like you asked of me. You was my grandfather and daddy to me. 'Cause my own father didn't care enough for me to even make sure that I had anything to eat. But you, daddy, you provided that for me. Kelly Belly is what you would say. Go get me a Diet Pepsi and one of those Hostess black cakes. I will run to the store as fast as I can, 'cause I wanted to finish playing. Only for you to send me back again. I loved you more than you would know. I wish that I could go to the store and get you a Pepsi and a black cake, but I'm glad you're not in pain. No more suffering for you. And I thank God that He gave me you. Who knows where I would have been if you wouldn't have stepped in. So, Daddy, I won't say goodbye. Just see you soon on the other side. 'Cause you will always be my daddy. And I will always be. I fucked up. 'Cause you will always be my daddy. And I will always be your Kelly Belly. I love you, Daddy. I can't do no do-overs on this one 'cause I don't want to cry. All right. Love you, Daddy. Singleton Green Jr. Peace out.